Hello, good morning. So ngayon ay pupunta tayo sa Ilocos. Tapos para mag-celebrate ng anniversary namin mag-asawa. Then ang advance happy birthday na din sa aming anak. Ayan, kasama namin siya. Inaantok pa. Isa pa, tetestingin natin ang ating Honda HR-V 2015 na nabili natin last September pero hindi pa natin siya na long drive, no? So this is the first time na ilo-long drive natin siya. So nagpapultak na ako dito malapit sa gas station sa amin. So tignan natin kung gaano ba talaga siya kalakas sa gasolina o matipid ba siya sa gasolina, lalo na sa panahon ngayon ng krisis sa gasolina, no, dahil sa gera sa Middle East. So tignan natin kung okay pa ba siya o dapat na ba tayo magpalit ng EV. So yun lang, sige, bye bye. Dito na kami sa Petron, kilometer 71, Lakeshore. Ayan. Stop over muna at naka 106 kilometers na din ang ating tinakbo. So saan tayo? Labsan tayo. Hanap muna tayo ng mapaparkan. Dito?
Meron.
Walang iba. Stop over lang kami dito sa kilometer 71 Petron Lakeshore para magkape at kumain ng sandwich. Alis na din kami after nito. Okay, yun na next stop namin, Rosario, La Union. Kita-kits tayo doon.
Let's hit the road. Golden mornings, open roads. No more worries, no more fear. Just you and me, the sky so clear. Got no map, but that's alright. We'll chase the sun into the night. Every heartbeat, every street, a brand new world under our feet. Travel with me across the sea.
Yo, what's up? Nandito na tayo sa stopover natin sa Starbucks Rosario, La Union, malapit sa Tiplex exit. Ayan. So, bibili lang din ako ng kape, papatanggal ng antok. Ayan, no. So, and then sa kotse naman natin, so far naman all goods naman ang rides niya. Komportable. Check naman natin yung ating current fuel consumption. Sa next stop namin is 49 minutes pa, 30 kilometers. And so far, tumakbo na tayo ng 4 hours 44 minutes and 246 kilometers. Ang current natin na fuel consumption is 16.9 kilometers per liter. Ayan, sa Honda HR-V natin.
Pack your dreams, let's hit the road. Golden mornings, open roads. No more worries, no more fear. Just you and me, the sky so clear. Got no map, but that's alright. We'll chase the sun into the night. Every heartbeat, every street, a brand new world under our feet. Travel with me across the sea, over the mountains, wild and free, dancing through cities, chasing the breeze. Come on, travel with me, travel with me. Where dreams run deep, over the rivers, across the fields, laughing with stars in a sky so sweet. Come on, travel with me. Sipping coffee in small cafes, writing postcards along the way, singing songs under
Look,
neon
kung nasaan na kami.
skies, painting the world
Ayan ang mapa
with
namin,
you
oh.
and I.
Oh.
Got no map, but that's alright.
Wow.
We'll find the magic every night. Every sunset in your eyes feels like home, feels so right. Travel with me, oh travel with me, over the seas, wild and free. Come on,
So dito ngayon ng aming vegan trip or Ilocos trip. So kahapon meron tayong 12 hours total na travel natin from Morong Rizal to Bigan, Ilocos Sur. Meron tayong 442.6 kilometers na tinakbo. Then yung fuel tank natin is below below half. So magtatap up tayo mamaya tapos kung gano'n siya katipid. Pero dito sa gauge meron siyang 15.7 kilometers per liter. Ayan na. Mix na yan ng highway tapos ng city drive, no? So medyo matraffic din kahapon, bayan ng La Union tsaka hanggang dito. Ayun, so day 2 magbibisita iglesia naman kami. Tingnan natin, no? So tara na, let's go.
We were standing by the river under the sky, your hand in mine as the stars passed by. The moonlight painted you in silver blue. I couldn't look away, no, not from you. You whispered dreams like they were secrets told as the night unfolded, young and bold. In that moment, time just slowed in the moonlight. Love overflowed, and it's in your eyes I see my future clear. Every word you say is music I wanna hear. Under the stars, there's no need to hide, 'cause in the moonlight, you're by my side. In the moonlight, we found our place. A love so pure, no time can erase. We'll dance forever in the stream we've made in the moonlight. Love will never fade.
Dito na kami ngayon sa Payao Church. Ang total distance na tinakbo natin ay 517.1 kilometers simula Morong Rizal. And tumakbo na din ang makina ng ating sasakyan ng 15 hours and 21 minutes. Halo na yan, highway tapos provincial road. So natitirang range na lang natin ay 120.
And it's in your eyes I see my future clear. Every word you say is music I wanna hear. Under the stars there's no need to hide, 'cause in the moonlight you're by my side. In the moonlight we found our place. A love so pure no time can erase. We'll dance forever in the stream we've made in the moonlight. Love will never fade. In the moonlight we're free and alive. In your arms I know I'll survive.
Yo, magagas na tayo. Meron pa natitirang 4 bars pero magas na tayo dito sa Petron. Yeah. 85.80 pesos ang kanilang extra, then 86.70 ang XCS. Dun tayo sa XCS. Ayan. So ang total travel time na natin ay 16 hours and 22 minutes and 545.9 kilometers. Pila tayo. Ano tayo? Premium. So lang kaya makakarga dito nila. Yung trip B natin ay yung gagamitin natin sa trip B. Yan ang buong trip natin sa Ilocos Travel. Yan, dyan. Okay. So ilang litro yung nakarga? Ang nakargang litro ay 36.84.
Okay na sir.
36.84, 311. Ayan. Ang 36.84 liters sa 500. Ano nga ulit yun? Ayan, 545.9 kilometers. So, i-compute natin kung gaano siya kalakas sa gasolina. 545.9 divide 36.84. So ayan ang lumabas, 14.81 kilometers per liter yung ating gas consumption. From Morong Rizal, tapos sa ayan, kung saan na rin kami pumunta, and then minsan nakatigil lang kami, nakaganyan, nag-aircon, so matagal din. So normal driving ba, and then nakakopa rin tayo ng medyo mataas sa fuel economy. So eco mode din pala to, naka eco mode tayo. So sige, tignan natin ang buong trip kung gaano ka tipid.
We were standing by the river under the sky, your hand in mine as the stars passed by. The moonlight painted you in silver blue. I couldn't look away, no, not from you. You whispered dreams like they were secrets told as the night unfolded, young and bold. In that moment, time just slowed.
Yung dito na lang kami kakain sa Cafe Leon. Tara lab. Ano? Tara. Cafe Leon.
We'll dance forever in the stream we've made in the moonlight. Love will never fade.
Yun! Hello! Uuwi na kami! So dito kami nag-stay sa hotel lang. Inaayos pa ni madam yung mga gamit. Dami din namin gamit. Inaayos na madam yung gamit. Bye-bye, vegan! Bye, vegan!
Let it in, Baraka, sunset gold and sugar sand. Left my worries on the runway with no return plan. Took a breath I didn't know I've been holding on too long. And in the quiet I could finally hear my song. I took a ride to El Nido, cliffs rising like a prayer. Ocean like a mirror, not a single worry there. Let the world just drift away beneath that sky so wide. Sometimes the truth don't speak, it just stands by your side. The kind of calm you only find in dreams. I found it in the Philippines, in the ways and in the in-betweens. It showed me who I used to be. From Shanghai winds to Cebu lights, from Mahal hills to Boracay nights. I found a little more of me in the delightful Philippines. I played guitar on a rooftop bar, Cebu lit up the night, and strangers turned to friends by the second verse felt right. And in Quran I dove too deep just to see what's there. In the blues and greens I found peace everywhere. I made my way to Siargao, it felt so free, like I saw the earth would right. I didn't need a reason, didn't need a
pauwi na kami ng Morong.
Yabi ko ipakita mo.
Doon na kami dito sa sa Damansion Estate sa La Union. Ganda. So, the current natin is 21 hours 25 minutes na running ang ating makina and 731.4 kilometers. And ang ETA natin sa Morong ay 12:15 AM, 5 hours and 34 minutes. Pero hindi na masusunod kasi baka magkakain pa kami sa NLEX na lang siguro kami kakain ng dinner. Ayan. So drive safe sa amin. Thank you Lord. Gabayan niyo po kami. Bye bye. Yun, kakapasok lang namin ng T-Flex. Ayan o, ganda ng daan. So see you na lang siguro sa Morong para sa ating gas consumption.
I found a little more of me in the delightful Philippines. Yeah, I found the love you only find in dreams in the delightful Philippines.
Yo, good morning. So ayun na, nandito na tayo sa amin. Ayan, kung saan tayo nagpagas. Morong to be Morong, Ilocos, Morong travel natin ay umabot ng 27 hours 35 minutes yung ating engine on running time. Then total distance ng travel natin is 1,036.8 kilometers. So yan, meron 3 guhit below half tank yung natira sa pangalawang full tank natin. Then nandito tayo sa gas station kung saan tayo magpaparefill. Ayan, sige, tingnan natin kung ilan talaga ang ating gas consumption. Let's go. Premium gas full tank. Automatic lang, card payment kuya. Yung nakapagpakarga na tayo. So kung tignan natin kung magkano yung first top up natin sa may Ilocos is 36.84 liters plus yung ka-top up natin ngayon na 31.57 liters, 68.41. So divide natin siya sa 1,037 divide 68.41. Ayan, meron tayong average na 50.15 kilometers per liter. Ayan, so tingin ko naman matipid pa din siya, and sa 1.8 engine niya okay naman, matipid na yan, no? And so far naman okay din yung niya, yung ride niya. Yun. Thank you. Sige, hanggang sa muli.